want to show you guys this quick arrangement. So this arrangement has been like this for a year. I mean, I added this recently and this too, but other than that, the whole thing has been like this. There is some succulents that I have taken out of here previously. Look, there is succulents growing there that fell from here. They're growing there. So I'm just gonna take all the rocks out and maybe clip this back a little bit and maybe add more plants, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not gonna record the whole process just because I don't know how long I'm gonna take. I'll probably stop and go as the day goes on, so we'll see. It's pretty hot outside. Okay. So here it is all done. All I did was add this apple and glow, something like that it's called. It doesn't have its original color. Normally it's nice and red, but it's not that color right now. I don't know if that's a winter thing or not. So I took out all the rock that was here, which that's what I was talking about, that was going to take forever. And then I pruned this back just a tiny bit, and then I added this double head topsy-turvy. She's a double header. She cannot be separated. She just grew that way. And then just wanted to show you, this one was already here. This one I had beheaded, and it had already small babies, but I had a feeling that if I would behead that the babies would blow up, and they did that. This sits in front of my house where it does get rained on, so pretty much this is the first time I moved it in forever. So if you Google right now, just in May, right? Yeah, just in May, how many inches of rain has Palm Beach County, Florida has gotten, and you'll see how many inches of rain, and it's done well. When I'm talking about, obviously not the new stuff that I just placed there, but that one, see, that's a chubby plant right there. You would think that, oh, that's gonna die, but for some reason it's not. It could be because you know, good drainage. I really don't know. In here, so that I wouldn't have to fill it up with so much dirt, I did put styrofoam in there, so it could be that, you know. So I mean, that's all I can really say about it. This video is going to be really short. I have a big old mess to clean up, and I just want to show you these ugly pots that I'm painting. I'm just painting them to make them look a little bit nicer. And then this pot here, I've neglected a lot. It's a beautiful big aloe, but she's been thrown in the back of the yard. I decided to take her out and clean her up. And this aloe right here in front, so this big aloe grew this crested aloe. So this aloe is crested. The leaves are double. You see them? They're not separated, they're doubled. So that's a crested aloe. So I'm painting her. I'm gonna leave the top like this. I'm sorry, it's out of focus. I'm gonna leave the top distressed like that, and then I might add some plants in the future, not right now, because I just have to think about what I'm gonna put in there. Something that can handle, you know, the water and the sun, because this is gonna be outside, not in my greenhouse. I just want to show you guys those small projects that I was working on real quickly. You know, some people say, oh, I don't have time to do that. If you have time, 20 minutes to sit down, look at Facebook or Instagram, you have 20 minutes to stop what you're doing, go outside and do something real quick, and you don't have to finish it. You know, you just work on it for 20 minutes and then put it away, and then you'll feel so good, you know, that you did something. And you know, something that is a hobby of yours, something that's fun. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day.